going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be showing you guys a new sneaker that we just added to the collection. We got the Yeezy 350 Zyons. We're gonna be giving you guys our thoughts and opinions about this sneaker, why this sneaker is one of the best 350s that has released this year, and we're gonna be giving you guys a detail on feet, showing you guys how we rock this sneaker. So you guys should stick around to the end of the video. And guys, you also want to stick around because we're gonna be telling you guys the giveaway winner. So please stick around to the end of the video. Now, this sneaker was set to release last month, but with everything going on right now, they pushed up the release date, and we just created more hype. But we finally got our pair, and it took forever to get here because of everything going on. And like, guys, I'm just excited to have this sneaker in my hand. To be honest, this was the first 350s I was actually looking forward to this year after pictures surfaced, because this one actually looks different, and it kind of looks like the OG 350s that released back in the day. This one has more of like a burgundy kind of color, which is really interesting in person because you've never seen that on the 350s, first off. And on the translucent part, it has this dark brown color, which is really interesting because most 350s have like a clear panel which you can see your socks in the sneaker. And on the stitching part, it has this flushed in design, which is really interesting. Other 350s, like, it has this bulky stitching that goes across the sneaker. The midsole has this milky color. It actually looks translucent because you can see through the boost. And outsole has this light gum color. It's definitely gonna get dirty, but and yellow over time, but I'm really excited to wear this sneaker. And one detail I almost forgot to mention was above this translucent part of the sneaker, this dark brown, it has this light gray color, which really blends in with this burgundy color on the upper. This switched up a couple of design elements on this sneaker. Some I like and some I didn't really care about. Like, I like the knitting pattern on this sneaker. It looks like a vintage sweater that was just knitted, and I really like that about the sneaker. And I like this stitching that goes across the sneaker. It really ties the sneaker together, and I like how they took out the heel tab. Some people didn't like that, but I don't mind. With the heel tab, they've been putting in a lot of 350s and like taking it out in some 350s, but I actually like the heel tab. It's a little bit different, but this one I don't really mind that it doesn't have the heel tab. It actually makes the sneaker look more clean. And I also love the translucent stripe. It's not as like visible when you wear different types of socks on the sneaker. It actually makes the sneaker look more clean as well with the design. Now, when it comes to sizing, we normally go with our size 9. That's our standard size we get in most sneakers. But on the 350s, a size 9 looks a little bit chunkier than what we would normally like on feet. So we end up just going with a size 8.5. And it looks really nice and slim on feet when you wear a size 8.5. So I mean, it still fits the same, it's still snug. So we like our sneakers snug. So if you guys want to go your standard size, or you can go a half a size down to get it like to look a little bit slimmer. Yeah, since the 350 is a little bit wider on feet, you definitely want to go like down in half a size. I know most people say you should go a half a size up, but we personally just like the sneaker to fit a little bit more slim. So, and like with the Primeknit, it's gonna stretch, so we just like stretching it out a little bit. Now, when it comes to styling this 350s, we're gonna be styling it a little bit different than like how we used to style it back in the day with the zipper pants and like skinny jeans. We're gonna be throwing it off a little bit. We're gonna try to style it with some shorts and some kind of different cargos, different kind of pants, sweatpants even, and it's gonna have a different aesthetic. Look. Yeah, this definitely has that 350 V1 turtle dove vibe. I think that's what created the hype on this sneaker. Most people are still nostalgic about that sneaker, so it was too expensive to cop, so this was a perfect sneaker that released. I think they made a lot of these too. Like, they made a lot of these 350 Zyon, so a lot of people should be able to cop a pair. Yeah, I think they actually made like over 100K pairs of this sneaker, so it's definitely a sneaker that most people should be able to get their hands on. Now, for the giveaway, this is nothing personal, but I think this person actually took time and like wrote the outfit down, and we can actually visually see how the outfit would look on body. So the giveaway winner is going to be Jason Rivera, because he actually wrote down like a long list of outfits that he would wear with the sneaker. So this is definitely the MMVN is definitely gonna be going to him. And guys, this is nothing personal, like what Leslie said. It was a little bit hard to picture most of the outfits. A lot of them were fire. They had like good pieces, but it was very hard to like picture it. So in the future, we're gonna be like making the giveaway more random. We're gonna like try to make it more easier, because like this one was a little bit more harder for us to like visually see the outfit. And we're not gonna bore you guys by talking too much about this sneaker. We've talked about the sneaker a lot, so we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how the on feet look. And before we show you guys how the on feet look, if you guys are new to the channel, please guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now, and please like this video because it really helps the channel. And please turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we post a new video. And guys, make sure you drop a comment down below. Tell us what you think about the outfits. Until then guys, we'll see you guys in our next video.